People wear their stress like a badge. They go, look how hard I'm working, to show everyone and how serious I can be about life. And the idea that resilience is just toughing it out and pushing yourself is really wrong.
In this class, you're going to learn how to become stress-proof from the man who is perhaps the world's leading hypnotherapist. Paul McKenna is an international best-selling author whose books have sold more than 10 million copies and been translated into 32 languages. He spent the last 35 years working as a hypnotherapist and has become the #1 hypnotherapist in the world.
Most people are so stressed, and they don't realize they're actually addicted to it, because it's part of modern life. So there are all kinds of things that we have to do, challenges, for example, get somewhere on time, give something like a presentation, deal with family matters. Then there's sleep disruption, which affects our mood and our game. And instead of people stopping and taking stock and going, really I need to do something about this, they push on even harder. The more you take time to relax and control your stress, the more bandwidth you've got for creativity, for problem solving, for actually your productivity to go up. It's actually about flexibility, being able to sometimes, instead of keep going, to stop and to step back, to see different ways. Instead of being in a state of hypervigilance, which is great in some environments, you've got to then recharge and give yourself the opportunity to deeply relax, because then you come back even stronger, even clearer headed, even more creative. In this masterclass, I'll use hypnosis, NLP, and other psychological techniques to transform the way your mind and body copes with stress, so your performance, productivity, and creativity all increases. I can't wait to work with you. See you in the class.